Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome bachcho, welcome, hello everybody, how's everybody doing? Good evening guys, good evening, welcome to the session. So who and all are here? Hi Gayatri, hello Jonathan, hi Arjun, Scavenger Gaming, hello bachcho, hello, welcome to the session. कैसे हो सारे बच्चे? Amazing, awesome, wonderful, right? Okay, so very well done, guys. Amazing. So as you all know, guys, today we are doing the short questions, which are the most important questions. In the first part, we have discussed the 5 marks question, and today we will be discussing the 3 marks questions. All right. So these are the important questions. If you practice these kind of questions, definitely you will not face any difficulty during the examinations. All right. The exam only thing, the values will be changed, something like that. Otherwise, concept will remain same. All right. ठीक है बच्चों. So very well done. All right. So we'll be starting the class now. Let us start our class. So let us start this short series, and I'll be taking all the chapters one after the other. So today we'll be done with the quadratic equation, and then we'll go for the arithmetic progression. Alright बच्चों, तो शुरू करते हैं. अच्छा, before I start, guys, let me tell you that for all the students who are say in grade 9th finished their examination and moving to grade 10th, for all of you, pre-booking is open for grade 10th. Alright, so there if you are applying the coupon code GPE Pro 1, you will be getting 20% off, extra 10% off, guys. So anybody who has just cleared grade 9th, want to join grade 10th, here you are getting extra 10% off, total 20% off, and this offer is about to be over up to till March for 15th only. All right, ठीक है? Yes बच्चों. All right. Now let's move ahead. Let's solve some questions. So first question, beta, if you'll see, solve for x. 16 by x minus 1 is equal to 15 upon x plus 1. So if I solve it, 16 by x minus 1 is equal to 15 upon x plus 1. Here you can take LCM. So 16 minus x upon x is equal to 15 upon x plus 1. Here you can cross multiply. So 16 minus x into x plus 1 is equal to 15 into x. So you got 16x plus 16 minus x square minus x, and here you have 15x. So minus x square, 16 minus x will be plus 15x, and here plus 16 equal to 15x. This to this got cancelled. You got minus x square, shift 16 over there, will become minus 16. X square is equal to 16, so you can say x will be equal to plus or minus 4. X will be equal to plus or minus 4. Pretty easy question, है ना? Easy questions are एकदम, because 3 marks question, है? Not, it won't be much lengthy, easier ones. Okay, next, find the roots of this equation. Let us find out the roots of this equation, guys. So we have the equation as ax square. Then here also, we have ax square. यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखना बेटा, I also didn't see it carefully. This is a square x. So here variable is x, a square is the coefficient. Alright, so a square x, shift it over there. If I shift a square x over there, and x also over there, will become minus x, and plus a was already there. So one term of x square we have here. If I take a square plus 1, x minus x common, we'll be left with a square plus 1, and here we have plus a equal to 0. This is my equation. We have to find out the roots. Let us use the quadratic formula. X will be equal to minus of b. So minus of minus a square plus 1 you have over here, plus minus square root of minus of a square plus 1 b square. So minus of a square plus 1 b square minus 4 into a into c is also a, divided by 2 into coefficient of x square, which is a. So negative and negative will become positive. You are left with a square plus 1 plus minus, here what do you have, minus of a square plus 1 whole square will be a plus 1 whole square only. A square plus 1 whole square. So a raised to the power 4 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into a square into 1 is plus 2a square. And here we have minus 4a square whole divided by 2a. So you will be getting a square plus 1. Here we have plus minus square root of a raised to the power 4, sorry, a raised to the power 4 plus 1, and 2a square minus 4a square will become minus 2a square. Beta, here the important step which you need to recognize is, देखो, if a square plus 1 whole square is a square plus 1 plus 2a square, a square plus a raised to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2a square will be a square minus 1 whole square. Can you see? A square minus 1 whole square. So this is also a perfect square. So this will be a square plus 1 plus minus, here it will be square root of a square minus 1 whole square divided by 2a. So finally you got the value of x as a square plus 1 plus minus, here square root whole square gone, we are left with a square minus 1 divided by 2a. So we'll be getting two values. First value, let's use the plus sign, a square plus 1 plus a square minus 1 divided by 2a. So a square will be there, plus 1 minus 1 got cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 got cancelled. So 2a square upon 2a, 2a square upon 2a, 2 to 2 got cancelled, x is equal to a, or here x is equal to a square plus 1 minus a square, negative negative positive plus 1 divided by 2a. This time a square got cancelled, 2 upon 2a, x will be equal to 1 upon a. X will be equal to 1 upon a. Alright, ठीक है बच्चों. So we will be getting the values of x as either a or 1 upon a. The values of x will be either a or 1 upon a. So the most important step over here, if you will ask me, is to note this. ये बहुत important था. If you will not be able to think that this is a perfect square, then you will not be able to solve this question further. You will be thinking this only ki arey yaar, how to get rid of the square root and all, and you will be stuck over at this step. So to realize that this is a perfect square, it can be written as a square minus 1 whole square. That is very important. Okay, very well done. Let's move ahead. And here, here they have done the factorization method. This is also nice. This is also very easy. I have done quadratic formula that became lengthier. Here what they have done, they have taken the factorization. So here you can take ax common, and so you'll be getting with x minus a. Here take minus 1 common, x minus a. So x equal to a or x equal to 1 upon a. Anyone. Next question. Solve for x. This is the equation. We need to solve it for x. What is the equation, guys, we have? Minus of 2x minus 7 equal to 0. This is the equation we have. We need to solve it for x. What will do? The main thing is this square root. So what I'll do, I'll shift this one without square root to that side. So we'll be left with square root of 6x plus 7 is equal to, this minus will become positive, you will get 2x minus 7. Simple. Now what we'll do to get rid of the square root, we'll do square on both sides of this equation. So here this will become 6x plus 7 and this will become 2x minus 7 whole square. So you have 6x plus 7 is equal to 4x square plus 49 minus 2 into 2 is 4, 7 are 28. So minus 28x. So finally your equation will be 4x square and 6x shifted there will become minus 6x. Minus 28 minus 6 is minus 34x. 7 will become minus 7. 49 minus 7 will be equal to plus 42. Equal to 0. This is your equation. If you want, you can take 2 common also. Chalo, let's take 2 common. You can take 2 common as well. So if I take 2 common, 2x square minus 17x plus 21 equal to 0. The 2 which you have taken common will go there in division. 0 upon 2 will be 0 only. So now we need two numbers such that their multiplication is 42 and their addition is minus 17. So that will be equal to, देखो 6 7s are, or either it will be 6 7s are or 14 3s are. So 14 and 3 will be your correct splitting. So 2x square minus 14x minus 3x plus 21 equal to 0. Take 2x common, x minus 7. Take minus 3 common, x minus 7 equal to 0. We are left with x minus 7 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So from here you will get either x is equal to 7 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to 3 by 2. ठीक है. Alright, sir, I am very depressed. My marks were very low in term 1. Though guys, now as the marks have been released for your term 1, so maybe some of you might have got less marks, but please remember you still have time left. Give whatever you have for your term 2. This is not the time to think about whatever has happened. The more you live in the past, the more it is going to hurt your future. So think whatever has to be done, whatever has happened, and now focus on your term 2. That would be a very genuine advice. अब उसके अलावा देखो मोटिवेशन की आग लगाना, and that one all doesn't make sense. ठीक है, मोटिवेशन की आग लगा देंगे, ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे, doesn't want all that. Understand this thing, be sensible and move ahead. ठीक है, all right. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. एप्लीकेशन ईश्वरीय एप्लीकेशन सम्स में कैन बी आस्क्ड, इन द एप्लीकेशन प्रॉब्लम्स इट कैन बी आस्क्ड. ओके चलो. सो अच्छा, सो फ्रॉम हियर x इज इक्वल टू, वेट, getting 7 and 3 by 7, here they are getting the opposite one. Okay, so the solution is wrong over here after this point, because it will be minus 14 and minus 3. So after this point it is wrong. ठीक है, x will be 3 by 2 or 7. That is the correct answer. ठीक है, because minus 17 is there, no, minus 14 minus 3 will be your splitting. Okay, next question. If the discriminant of the equation equal to 0, this equation's discriminant is equal to 1, find the value of s. Okay, so discriminant 1 करना है ना बेटा. So minus b square is minus s minus 4 into 5 into 4. Make it equal to, discriminant of the equation is 1, so discriminant make it equal to 1. So minus s square will be equal to s square only, and 4 4s are 16, and 16 into 5 is 80. So s square minus 80 is equal to 1. S square is equal to 81. So s will be equal to plus or minus 9. S will be equal to plus or minus 9. Sir, I got very good. अरे वाह, very good traveler बेटा, very good. ठीक है, very good. बेटा ईश्वरी, again for same advice for you as well, bhai. Whatever has happened, and you still have more time left. That's a good thing CBSE has given. So give your 100%. Hard work never goes in vain, right? Okay. Next one देखो, show that this equation x square plus 1 whole square minus x square has no real roots. This equation does not have any real roots. So what do we have? We have x square plus 1 whole square minus x square equal to 0. Wait यार, this will be degree 4 ना. degree 4 तो तुम लोगों को करना नहीं है. Okay, so they are saying this is equal to this, so plus minus of that, and then you are solving it for plus minus 1. Because चलो ये तो कुछ, I think it is given more difficulty level, बहुत ज़्यादा difficulty level दे दिया इसमें. ठीक है, what you can do, but again conversion of the equations into quadratic equation form that is still not there, I'll teach you with that method only. That will be easier for you to understand. So here, if I do this expansion, it will be x square whole square is x to the power 4, 1 square is 1, and 2 into x square into 1 is plus 2x square. Here you have minus x square equal to 0. So final form is x square, 2x square minus x square is minus x square plus 1 equal to 0. Now beta suppose if I replace x square with y, so x raised to the power 4 can be replaced with y square. So ये इक्वेशन बन जाएगा y square minus y plus 1 equal to 0. इसका discriminant निकाल दो. Discriminant over here will be minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1. So you are getting 1 minus 4 which is minus 3 which is less than 0, and hence you can say no real roots. No real value of x square. तो अगर x square की real value नहीं तो there obviously will not be any real value of x also. ठीक है. Alright बच्चों, next question. Find the value of k for which this quadratic equation has equal roots. These kind of questions are very important. Previous one, I think from my experience, will not be asked in your boards. Okay, because this conversion has been removed. Alright, but this is a very important one. Equal roots wale are the most important. You will definitely see this in your paper. This word you will definitely see wherever you see this word. Remember, discriminant has to be equal to 0. Make it equal to 0. So b, what is b? Minus k whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and into c is k. Make it equal to 0. So you got k square minus 8k equal to 0. Take k common, you are left with k minus 8 equal to 0. So two factors you have. One factor, either k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 8. ठीक है. Remember it has two values. अगर तुम लोगों ने ऐसा k से k कट करके खाली k equal to 8 only one answer you wrote, then obviously half mark or 1 mark will be deducted. But if you take factorization and you see there are two values of k, one is k equal to 0 and one is k equal to 8. भाई देखो, k is what? Coefficient of x and constant term, that can be 0. No issue with that. Right? So there are two values very important to understand. Alright बच्चों, there are two values which is very important for you to understand. Okay बच्चा? Let's move ahead. So k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 8. Next one, if the equation, this equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mc into x plus c square minus a square equal to 0. Again देख लो word, important word, equal roots. Again this is one important question. This kind are very important. Then prove that this will be true. So यार simple, if we look at the equation 1 plus m square into x square, so this will be a value of a, right, plus 2mc into x, so this will be your b, coefficient of x, and plus c square minus a square, this will be your constant term c, right. If it has equal roots, make discriminant equal to 0. So 2mc whole square minus 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square, make it equal to 0. So you got you got 4m square c square, then here 1 plus m square into c square minus a square, so minus 4 times of 1 into c square is c square, 1 into minus a square is minus a square, here plus m square c square, here minus m square a square equal to 0. So 4m square c square minus 4c square minus into minus is plus 4a square, then minus 4m square c square, negative positive, plus 4m square a square equal to 0. This and this got cancelled. We want c square is equal to something. Shift minus 4c square over there. You will get 4c square is equal to 4a square plus 4 times of m square a square. Take 4c square, take 4 common, you are and a square common, you are left with 1 plus m square. Here 4 to 4 got cancelled, you got c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. राइट, इजी क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, वेरी गुड रिया बेटा, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. Avneet will be doing all the ones, don't worry. ठीक है बच्चा, चलें आगे. यस ईश्वर्या, पास मार्क्स है. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं बेटा. द सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज 11, द सम ऑफ देयर रेसिप्रोकल इज 11 by 28. Find number. Sum of two numbers is 11. So if I'll say my first number, let's say one of the number is suppose x, the other number, देखो many students make the mistake over here, they'll make it x minus 11, but remember the other number will be 11 minus x. Then sum of their reciprocals. So if I reciprocate 1 upon x and if I reciprocate 1 upon 11 minus x, reciprocal, some of their reciprocals, right? So 1 upon 11 minus x, if I do it, then I get the value as 11 upon 28. So here let us solve this. X into 11 minus x, here take LCM, 11 minus x plus x is equal to 11 upon 28. Minus x plus x got cancelled. You are left with 11 upon 11x minus x square, and here 11 upon 28. This to this got cancelled, 1. Cross multiply, you will be getting 11x minus x square is equal to 28. Shift everything over there, final equation x square minus 11x plus 28 equal to 0. 7 and 4, x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 28 equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 7. Take minus 4 common, x minus 7 equal to 0. You got x minus 7 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So from here you will say either x is equal to 7 or x is equal to 4. Alright, ठीक है बच्चों, क्लियर 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 क्लियर. सर प्लीज टेल माय नेम. शर्वना, शर्वना बेटा, ठीक है. ऑलराइट बेटा, अपस्ट्रीम डाउनस्ट्रीम के लिए ना जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है, किया हुआ है. ऑलराइट, इन अ क्रिकेट मैच हरभजन टुक 3 विकेट्स लेस देन ट्वाइस द नंबर ऑफ विकेट्स टेकन बाय जहीर. The product of the number of wickets taken by these two is 20. Represent the above situation in the form of quadratic equation. Here we need only representation. Solve करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हरभजन took 3 wicket less than जहीर. तो चलो भाई लेट्स टेक कि भाई हरभजन जो विकेट्स हैं has taken x wickets. So जहीर के विकेट्स कितने होंगे भाई? जहीर has taken Harbhajan took 3 wicket less than twice the number of the wickets taken by Zahir. Better to take Zahir's wicket as x. Zahir के wickets x ले लेंगे, है ना. तो Harbhajan's wickets will be was, Harbhajan took 3 wicket less than twice the number of wickets. So twice the number of wickets and 3 wickets less. Correct है? Right? Okay. Now the product of these number of wickets taken by these two is 20. The product कर लो 2x minus 3 into x is equal to 20. So 2x square minus 3x minus 20 equal to 0. This will be your equation. ठीक है बच्चा, this will be your equation. Okay. अब no need to solve it because they have only told to represent it in the this form, quadratic form. Alright bachcho, so this is all. These are the important 3 marks question. Also for those students moving from 9th to 10th, CBSE pre-booking is open now. You can definitely go ahead for it. And with GPE Pro 1, you are getting extra 10% off, total 20% off you are getting. And for those students who are in grade 10th right now, preparing for your grade 10th guys, you can definitely go ahead and join the 2 years course, either your JEE courses or NEET courses. Drishti batch you can definitely join, and again that batch link is given in the description box. 10% off you will be getting. I'll just show you once. Here they go at the starting only, click any of the courses. Okay. Now here grade 10th you can see, here you will see CBSE class 11-12 Drishti NEET batches, 2-year course it is, or you can also go ahead and take the Drishti JEE courses as well. ठीक है, कहाँ गया Drishti JEE courses over here. Alright, so that is a very good course for you all for the upcoming 2 years. And if you apply GPE Pro 1, you are getting 10% off. And guys, this fee is way below any other institute you will see. And you are getting all the features, world-class teachers, test series, assignments, comfort of your house, do everything, doubts will be resolved, everything will be done over here. Okay? So these are your teachers who will be taking your classes. देख लो सब कुछ आराम से, it is shown over here. All right, so go ahead and register. You can see Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus, all 3 courses are over here. Pro Classic you get one extra feature of Doubts app. Pro Plus you get personal mentor who will be taking care of all your doubts, all your support, any support you require will be present. All right, ठीक है बच्चों. So this is all from my side. Don't forget to use the coupon code GPE Pro to get 10% off. And for 10th grade pre-booking, 9th to 10th moving, you can use GP Pro 1 to get 20% off. Alright bachcho, so thank you so much guys for joining the session. I'll see you all in the next class. Please don't forget to like this video before you leave. Thank you so much to all the students who have already liked this video. Share the video with your friends, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you all beta. Chalo, bye bye guys, bye bye. Aman Raji, bye bye. So can you give any simple trick for splitting the middle term? बेटा अंतर देखो, अब वो that is just playing with numbers, समझ रहे हो? तो